What's going on, guys? Shit. Oh my God. Tesla's like Bitcoin. It keeps on going up. Guys, Tesla is hitting new highs as we speak. We left with Tesla hitting new highs, and we are back with Tesla hitting new highs. The FOMO in me, you don't understand. FOMO is running through my body right now. What's going on, Adam? Oh my gosh. GameStop flat. So Marcos? I was watching the ads, and that's why I delayed. That's why I delayed. What's going on, Pam? How's Bitcoin doing today? Let's take a look. We hit new highs, by the way. And with the Coinbase hype coming out tomorrow, man, I have a video for you guys later. If you guys love volatility, oh, you guys are in for a wild ride tomorrow with Coinbase. Ha- Let's go. Tesla's not going to go back. It's going up like Michael Jordan jumping. I love Michael Jordan. For the dunk over LeBron James on Space Jam 2. What's going on, Selena? Welcome back. I know probably Selena has me on the big TV right now. Guys, Bitcoin's at $62,904. Can you believe I missed this push on Tesla? It's like I have mixed feelings right now. I'm happy to see a push like this, showing the strength and the beast that Tesla is. But a part of me is like, man, it left without me. It left without me. Even Doge, even Doge is on fire. I heard it hit 9 cents. That's a new high, right? Man, everything. Kronos Advanced Technologies acquires 600 million Dogecoin Cash. Kronos, is that Kron? Kron? Hmm. Oh man, you're up 350 bucks on Bitcoin. Nice, Adam. I like to hear. I think I had like 20 bucks back a couple years ago that I left on there, and it's like at 70 bucks now. I haven't even checked. It's on Coinbase. Are you in Fubo? No, I'm not. Not yeah. I'm still waiting for it to pull on back. On the bright side with Tesla, once it pulls back, you know where your sell point is. Exactly. But it's like Tesla did something very spectacular today. I was taking a look earlier. I went up to the gym. I was looking at the daily chart on Tesla, and look at this. From the gutter here down to the 590s when it was pulling on back, man. Ah, it's at 760 right now. It's just like a rocket. It just took off. This is the move. Oh well, man. It is what it is. Let me take a look at Dogecoin. It hit nine. It hit nine. That's an all-time, right? Or no? What are my thoughts on FRX? Is that Forest Road acquisition? Is that a SPAC? I think I wanted this one. FRX. Yeah, Forest Road. This is the one with Shaquille O'Neal, right? Shaquille O'Neal. I wanted this at $13, and I held off. I'm like, you know what? Don't FOMO. SPAC hype. CCIV was hot. I'm like, just wait out a little bit, and it's at $9 right now. I'm kind of glad I didn't hop in now. Yeah, right, Shaq. Guys, GameStop is not moving at all. We need some volume. We need Tom Brady. Yeah, bad SPAC with chart or with chart bad SPAC chart with barcoding, absolutely no FOMO. Barcoding is a no-no for me. Volume is like my number one. Why do you think I'm so excited for the Coinbase tomorrow? It's gonna be insane. I'm never shorting Tesla, no, ever. Even if it's due for a healthy pullback, I don't think I'll ever short it. Ripple, yeah, it wasn't Ripple being investigated by the SEC due to something with it being unlisted or something like that. Can I look? Can you look at the shorts on AMC? I'll gladly have a look because I believe on Fintel they were saying that the borrow fee went up too. Let's take a little glance for you on AMC. It did. Look at this. This is great news for AMC. It went from up from 2.44% all the way to 7. How accurate is this? I don't know. I don't think so. We already talked about Fintel. I have my mixed feelings about Fintel. And it's showing 300K as of 4 hours ago. Let's pull up GameStop really quick. I know it was showing 0, or it was showing like 40. Oh wow, it showed 498. It's up to 200K right now. The fee went down though. I don't understand. AMC's running. Yeah, I think I said earlier AMC might close above 9 today. If it does, I'm gonna be surprised. The battle of 9 and 1 on AMC on the 4 hour. I was waiting for a. If this is the Green Day AMC saw of the week, I'd be kind of disappointed. I expected a much more aggressive Green Day on AMC. This was way oversold. I should have pulled the trigger here at around 850s. Am I gonna chase this here? Absolutely not. I'm kind of curious because GameStop's not running, so I don't know what it's running off of. I don't know. I didn't hear about that. Tom Brady went to Bitcoin today, right? He's trading Bitcoin today. Yeah, Gardenom, I think I did do that 2 years ago. The high was 12,000 on Bitcoin, so even if you bought in for 20 bucks, and that is at least worth 100. I think I did, or even before that. Like it was just like 20 bucks that was in there. I'm like, I'm gonna leave it, see what happens. PLTR, Palantir's ripping. Yeah, Palantir was due for a bounce as well. This one's still stuck in the $20 range, however. Hmm. I'd rather put my capital some elsewhere. How's Neo? How did Neo do? Did Neo follow Tesla? No, this one actually pulled back. I was trying to see if I was gonna dip out here at 37. I was like, I'm gonna hold off. I've been very cautious lately. I think it has to do with the Nasdaq. I think which is still hitting new highs as we speak. Yes, the Nasdaq is still ripping. Spy again, new high. I was thinking of buying SQ today, guys, which is literally the inverse ETF of TQs. It's just TQs goes up, SQs goes down. Now I was just, I don't know. I could get really wrecked on SQs on the bounce. So when the market comes down, SQs goes up. And I'm like, it's due for a pullback, it's due for a slight correction. Should I hop in SQs? But who knows? The market has been on fire. It's showing no signs of pulling back, so I might get wrecked. Who's going to invest in Coinbase tomorrow? See, that's the thing. There's a difference between investing and trading. And oh man, I believe the volatility is going to be nuts tomorrow. That's one you should be very careful with. Let's see what kind of news we have on Twitter. Any breaking news? You think Tesla a new high is a meme on Tesla? Do you guys think a new high is a meme? It wants a new high, man. I just can't stop looking at the daily. It's just so beautiful. Look at the 5 minute. Today we did not see a pullback under 5 minute. It literally rode above the five. Other than this little small, slight cracks under, not convincing, guys. This is insane. This is beautiful. I think there was another analyst upgrade. This is the analyst upgrade price target Bitcoin new high pump right here. Impressive, impressive. And it wants the new high. I would FOMO Coinbase for a 2 to 3 return. It's a Wall Street favor similar to Ethereum. I don't know. I kind of want to go for the day trade first. Oh, Michael, I want to go for the day trade. Man, this GameStop, guys, we're not ticking. Apple 134. Wow. Oh yeah, guys, there was news for Apple. The reason we saw a midday random jump right here a couple hours ago was because they're gonna have an event on again 420 baby. 420. Where's the event at? But it's called Spring Loaded. There we go. I put a whole Spring Loaded event. This is on their website. Supposedly they're gonna introduce new Mac. No, not new iPads. I think. Where's it at? iPads. Yeah, iPad Pro. So immediately it started on. There you go. 420, and immediately started shooting up, and it has not pulled back yet. So Apple monster. Hope you weren't counting on this as income. Your video on AMC did you in? See, don't want to be a never, baby. I have other hustles, man. I was on here on YouTube before all of this, and I'm still gonna be here after. I want to be the one to make a living, make money trading, and not YouTube. That's so wrong. There's no point. I see no case in that having like making more money on YouTube, and sometimes that's how it is. You make more money than trading. But I want to do trading. I want to trade because I love it. 420, does that mean people will smoke a joint while watching the event? Honestly, we're making jokes. We thought we were gonna come out with the iVape or something like that. Anything stand out with the Coinbase? I mean, Coinbase has been. I think their revenues were like this first quarter were like 730 to 800 million, which is literally double what they made in 2020. That is nuts. What side houses would you recommend, Ralph, to get my bread? I do exotic or luxury car rentals. It's just very hard to get in. There's a lot of liability, and it's like the probably one of the worst businesses you can get into. You probably lose your sanity. Remember when Kitty tweeted, "What? I don't get this." I have not gotten into Viacom, but I was looking at it today, guys. I did not let this leave my sight. I know it was pulling back. 4067 Discovery probably doing the same thing. Yeah, 4044. Is that what it is? James Bond before he murks everybody. Push for that green finish. Dip it to the coin for 20, 40, 40 principal ratio. You think it's gonna just blow out of the market and just start running as soon as we're able to trade it? It's so hyped. As soon as I logged into my Thinkorswim, actually no, my TD Ameritrade online, it said there like it's gonna IPO tomorrow. There's warnings on there. Let me see. There's warnings on there too. That's pretty insane. Not even like Roblox or Airbnb had that type of hype. Like for you to log onto your broker and it says, "Hey, this is what you expect tomorrow in the market." It says April 14 Coinbase direct listing coin is anticipated to begin trading in the market open on Wednesday, April 14. Learn more about the risks and potential opportunities. They know it's going to be epic. They know it's going to be volatile as it's going to be crazy. I do think coin's going to be parabolic. Ooh, all the FOMO, right? You think there's going to be a lot of FOMO? Perhaps that could be the situation. That could be the case. Let's see. Converted organics. Oh, Tesla's going for that new high, man. Tesla's going for that new high. What's the secret you're talking about? COIN, coin. You won't find it until tomorrow. Coin, coin, coin. AMC hit 1098. You always try to get me, Alex. It's at 9. It's at 892. All right, here comes GameStop. Slowly but surely, we're slightly ticking higher. That's what we need, baby. Ernie, what's going on? Triple G Investor, are you bullish on AMC again? I wanted in for a dip, but you guys hate to hear it. I'm gonna probably just lock in profits if I ever do dip by it. I'm not gonna hold it. I appreciate that, Thomas. Never change, baby. Stay true to yourself. Stay true to yourself. You need GameStop to hit 200 to break even. We're coming back for you, man. No ape left behind. News came out. Adam resigned. Yeah, you can't fool me. You've been sleeping in. What vaccine did you get? It did you dirty? Yeah, there's always those side effects. It hit some people harder than others. Would you ever change your mind if on AMC if dilution was voted down? Absolutely. That was my main concern. Pfizer. You think coin will be on Robinhood? I don't know. I don't go on Robinhood. I don't know. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully, yeah. But if you guys use Robinhood, check your emails. Maybe you might have received an email. GameStop needs to turn into the next Tesla. Tesla's a beast, man. How does this not make you smile? Even though I'm not in it, just hitting new highs, it just makes me smile. Knowing that my favorite stock, Tesla, which I did not buy, is rallying. Strength is there, baby. WPF. What is that doing, man? I have my alerts. 10:03. It's not doing anything yet. It probably should be on Webull, yeah. I don't think you should have a problem trying to buy it tomorrow. Yeah, Palantir's having a great day. Oh, the Nasdaq keeps on hitting new highs. Apple's going for new highs as well. That's just beautiful. Will coin have an entry price? I don't know what you mean by that. It's probably going to be around 300 to 400 bucks. What's going on, Benji? Welcome back. Do you think it'll be on Fidelity? I'm pretty sure can almost guarantee it will. It should be everywhere. I don't think there should be any restrictions. I can't find anything on there for any restrictions. So you guys should be fine. Just be careful. I think it's gonna be very volatile. It's gonna have some wild swings. Schwab is saying not available. Really? I thought Schwab and what was the other one? Goldman. I thought Goldman Sachs and Schwab said they were gonna offer their clients crypto or something like that. That's ridiculous. Bro, day trading Neo has been a gold mine. Absolutely. If you're able to catch these swings, man, that's what I'm saying. This is what I'm talking about. Of course, I don't feel comfortable buying Tesla here at these prices, but if you're in from the lows, which some of you are, that's an amazing swing trade, day trade. The volume is there. That's the number one key indicator. Volume. Do you think it's best to jump in coin right when the market opens or wait to see when it happens first? I'm probably gonna wait like a couple minutes, honestly. I don't want to chase it right out of the gate. Walmart compliance chief to the parts. Walmart's slightly down today. Walmart's one we also swing trade. It took forever to barely even break even to make a profit. How's Visa doing today? Slightly red. This is another one that also had a banger of recovery. Home Depot, is it Home Depot hitting new highs today too? It's trending near the highs. I should have bought more Tesla. I was scared even at 594 when I bought. I don't blame you. When it was pulling on back, it's a little scary sometimes to catch a dip. I'm not gonna lie. Keep in mind, Schwab owns TD Ameritrade. Weren't they gonna merge? Some type of I got that alert. I got that email, and I thought it wasn't. I thought it wasn't Schwab. Is it TD Ameritrade? I think it is Schwab. You're right. Yeah, TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab. What do you need to know? Hopefully this does not change. Hopefully it doesn't affect the interface. Schwab's decision to adopt Thinkorswim is even more proof of that. Yeah, this is amazing. They should never change this. Award-winning platform. #1 platform 10 years in a row. Beautiful. My average on CCIV is like $30, which is really bad. Not bad. I know people who got in at $60. Merrill Lynch has crypto now. Yeah, they were gonna offer their clients. Major League Soccer lands the top corporate sponsor with Procter and Gamble, P&G. P&G. Where's it at? Where's it at? It's not even here yet. This is why I don't like the live news feature here on Thinkorswim. Sometimes they lag. J&J was literally a dead cat. Let's see what else we got on Twitter. Ralph, you levying this day for Tesla or what? Sadly, mixed feelings, man. I'm not in. I did not get in. Can you believe that? How long am I gonna wait for Tesla to dip? At this point, at these prices, it's like I'm forced to day trade it and not necessarily swing trade it, if that makes any sense. Like this is just nuts if I was gonna buy here at 760s and going in for a swing. It's just like it's just too risky for me, you know? Yeah, that sucks, right? But it's always nice to see your favorite stock just rally like this. Let's see, what do we got? Twitter. No Roaring Kitty tweets yet. AMC's at zero short shares available. Is that good for us with 14.4%? The thing is with Fintel, man, you can't really trust it. Yeah, I don't want to trust. I'm not even gonna use their little membership thing anymore. Their website. It's just no. I don't trust Fintel. Could have bought it at 650, but you were waiting for that dip. I was still waiting for that dip to 660s. What's going on? All three of us. Fake tell, yeah. Oh my God, what a day, man. Just have some cash ready for on the sides for the dip. I guess you could say I have a modest chunk of cash ready to deploy in the markets. Make a boatload of money near the money calls on Viacom. No more options for me, man. No more options for me. Unless I'm going some YOLO options, I'm gonna go for the VIX. I'm shooting for that VIX if I'm going YOLO on options, man. It's at $16 right now. The open interest on these calls for June and July at 25 strike price, maybe even 30 is ridiculous. It's like 200,000 at those prices for the summer. Someone's betting big that the market's gonna Tank. GSX is another one that also went down today to 24. This was another Bill Wang play. Bill, what's his name, right? Bill Wang. 24. Damn, man. There's no dead cat here yet. Actually, from what I've heard, this is the fraud company. Fake numbers. This is exactly what happened with Luckin Coffee a while back. You guys remember that? Luckin Coffee was a coffee company in China, literally the Starbucks of China, and they were reporting fake numbers. And they got delisted. They went to OTC. I can never guess that, man. What do you think Coinbase will be at in a year? I don't know. I wish I knew. Jordan Belfort tweeted, "Big clout." Yeah, Luckin Coffee went from like $2 a share to 54 and then back down to 2. What a scam. Am I getting Coinbase tomorrow? I'm gonna day trade it, yes. I want to day trade it so bad. It was investigated for fraud 8 months ago. What will Coinbase price be? I heard 340, $340, maybe even 440. You might be right. Anywhere above $300 for sure. Tesla hit 762. Can you guys believe that? Up 8%. What's going on, Mr. Dank? You forced your neighbor to sell like in coffee at 52, not even knowing the falsified numbers. Man, did he sell? Did he listen? Viacom, let's put our alerts. Let's leave this one here. Oh my God, guys, the closing prices aren't as aggressive as before. You guys remember when we'd be like really hyped for GameStop? When it was one or the other, man. We either swung up aggressively or we pulled on back. You think Tesla will hit 1,000 in the near future? Absolutely. Maybe possibly even by the end of the year, man. I think they're gonna hit a million this year. Not price, but for deliveries, a million. Honestly, Katie, I don't know. I can't answer that. It's just so far out there. I can't answer that. I wish I knew the answer. As for now, we have to adapt and just play the momentum. That's what I'm going for Coinbase tomorrow. Actually, that we like the stock pump is bad. It's a curse for the stocks. All right, Tesla's pulling on back. 757. How is it on the 5? All right, finally, again, it's pulling on back on the 5 minute. Last time we had a pullback was a couple hours ago on the 5 minute. So let's wait and see how far we pull back. What's happening to Tesla? It's a rocket. It's going to the moon. Still rocking with Europe. I appreciate that. I appreciate that, Vince. Jordan Belfort literally tweeted, "To be successful, you need to know both your strength and your weaknesses." I agree 100%. And that relates to trading. You guys need to know what your strengths are and what your weaknesses are, and just double down on your strengths. What's working, stick to it. Screw what people say. Adapt. You have to adapt. Adapt or die. Adapt or get left behind. Are you going to day trade Coinbase Live? Absolutely. Absolutely. What time does it go public? I don't know the time. That's the thing. I don't know the time. Let's see. Coinbase. It's gonna be so fun. Coinbase time. That's not right. Coinbase stock. What time does Coinbase go public? April 14. They don't. That's not showing the time. It's always around 11. You're right, Doreen. You're right on that one. It's always around that time. That's the time I believe. DoorDash went live as well with Airbnb. Yeah, the IPO is not gonna happen at open. It's very rare. I agree. It's usually right around 11. Let's see. There's no time. It just says April 14. I guess tomorrow we'll have like a probably a longer stream or an earlier stream for Power Hour. Yeah, it's not showing the time. It just says the day 14, which is tomorrow. And that valuation is swinging all over the place. I'm seeing 68 billion, 100 billion. I don't know what to believe. See this one. Look at this article from Investors Place. Coinbase IPO. Will the Coinbase valuation be 19 billion or 230 billion? That's ridiculous. New construct points out that the valuation of 100 billion implies Coinbase will make 1.5 times as much revenue as the Nasdaq and the NYC combined. Honestly, I think Bitcoin can extend its gains tomorrow. Watch sale, I believe, was your losses that you can extend over the years, right? If I'm not mistaken. I know my CPA explained it to me, and I forgot. But to me, it doesn't even matter for my wash sale because my wash sale is ridiculous. My wash sale goes on for years. It's like it doesn't even matter. But I don't know the exact. A wash sale occurs when an investor sells or trades a security at a loss and within 30 days before or after buys another one that is substantially similar. That happened to me a lot when I was trading Tesla. I was aggressively trading Tesla. That's why. It also happens if the individual sells a security at a loss and their spouse or company they control buys a substantially similar security within 30 days. And it is 3,000, yes. So mine could possibly go on till the day I die. My losses can be extended till the day I die. I can't do a backflip, man. I don't think I'll ever be able to do a backflip. Maybe on the moon. Did you cover the Coinbase IPO? I haven't really dug into it other than the valuations and the profit they're making, 730 to 800 million, which is literally double than what they did in 2020. I forgot how many verified users they have, around 50 million, and they're adding like 13,000 verified users a day. Roaring Kitty tweet 10 seconds ago. I don't get this one either. Palantir's flying. 25. Roblox. Oh, I forgot about Roblox. What happened to Roblox? It was 77 when we left off. Ooh, 83. Did it hit a new high? A new high is not a meme on Roblox. I call that the Nancy Pelosi pump. Ugh. It seems to me like he's just speculating a push in GameStop, right? He had that. I guess you guys said it was what James Bond before he dies or something like that, And now he has this one, which is pretty mysterious. Can you look at MSTR? Yes, I can. Oh, wow. $800. MicroStrategy. Wasn't this the one that was on CNBC yesterday? Not a huge fan of the volume, but I'm a big fan of the 4 hour. Some resistance here at 850s. Would I buy now? No. Canaccord. This is the same company that gave a price target upgrade to Tesla to 1,071. Jeffrey, I guess they got a price target upgrade. 45% of day supply of Bitcoin. I guess they bought Bitcoin just like Tesla. I think that's why they're up today. Another company that bought 50 million of Bitcoin back in November was Square, which hit a new high today. I think they added more to the Bitcoin. Interesting. Joe, thank you for the dono. You guys don't have to donate. What is SP Ralph? I don't know what you mean by that. Sprout? Will the market ever pull back? Yes. Do we know when? No. Can stock continue to fly up? Yes. Do I think crash? No. Do I think healthy correction? Yes. Mr. Wonderful was on Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin met Kevin from Shark Tank. Kevin O'Leary. I didn't really get to see that. I'm gonna revisit it after. Mr. Wonderful shares his opinion on today in GameStop. He said he would hate to be short on it, and luckily he isn't. Yeah, I believe he had stated that before. That he's happy that these hedges got squeezed and they lost. He says he loves it. If I recall properly, he says it's wonderful that he sees retail traders coming together and squeezing these effers. Uh, I don't know, Moonlight. I don't know the answer to that. Weevil? I've never heard of that. Weevle. Weevil. I think you meant Weeble. And Weeble has crypto, if I'm not mistaken, right? Do you think only 10 shares of the GameStop has the opportunity to make a life-changing money? I don't know. I don't know how to answer that, man. Do I like Kevin O'Leary? I like all the Shark. I like Shark Tank a lot. Yeah, Steve, I'm gonna watch that video with him and me, Kevin. I don't think it was a long video either. I think it was like an hour and a half. HMBL. I think you guys brought this one up. Humble. You see, I don't know how I feel about this stock. It's almost barcoding. I don't like that. Exactly, Michael. That's why I don't think I can answer that. Life-changing money, it's a different meaning for everybody, you know? 141 GameStop, 141.50. Can we close at 150? A miracle, just last minute rally. We're here closing on the last 10 minutes, guys. CEO on CNBC tonight afternoon. Big news coming. It might be a by the rumor, sell the news type of thing. I don't know. Just my speculation on there. GameStop green again. Yeah, we're kind of flirting in between the green and the red here. We're barely up green now, but I'd love to see a green close. I'm curious to see how AMC is doing. I think AMC had a spike here to 9. I honestly thought AMC would have closed above 9 today. I was so close to buying here the dip. If I'm gonna go on the dip, I'm probably gonna buy 1,500 to 2,500 shares on AMC if I do buy a dip for day trade. So I'm still waiting. Kevin, it was amazing. Wait until you hear what he says about Blood Coin Bitcoin. Yeah, I think he's been bearish on Bitcoin. I don't remember. I don't follow them religiously to know. Viacom is dropping from our price point, so I think there is another pullback coming here into the market close. It's green on the day, but remember what happened last time Viacom was green. Here, we pulled on back. Pulled on back. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, Kevin has also sold some of his stocks just to be on the safe side, trim some of those profits. I think BlackRock also said that they're sitting on this pile of cash that they never have before. The amount is huge. I forgot what the exact wording was. It's like some ridiculous amount of cash that they've never sat on. It's like it's breaking numbers for them. And that's the way I feel too. It's just like you see these stocks fly, you see people start getting greedy, and just it goes back to Warren Buffett, man. Be fearful when people are greedy, and be greedy when people are fearful. Try to get $100 of Bitcoin on Webull, says insufficient crypto buying power. I have a Webull account. Of course, you guys know I use it for the free shares and whatnot. I used it a year ago. I don't really keep up with it, so I don't know what the requirements are capital wise for crypto on Webull. I don't know. Oh, my shoulder, man. It's been killing me. You sold 3,200 of PLTR, keeping 5,000 shares. Baby, lock in those profits, man. Congrats on you. This man sold AMC, now he gets no views. Hey, and I saved myself some money. Manage your risk always. Where's Tom? Where's Tom Brady, man? We have 8 minutes and we're not seeing the spikes we got yet. Well, what's the best place to play crypto? I signed up for Voyager. I'm still getting approved. I'm on this massive wait list. And it just goes to show, man, people are hungry for crypto. Look at Coinbase's stats. They're gaining 13,000 new people a day, verified users. I forgot how much that equates to capital. So let's see. Take care of your health always, man. Always. Health is first. There's no point of having a boatload of money, having everything you want if you're not healthy. If you can't enjoy it, there's no point. Always take care of your health. Always first, number one. Why Voyager? You guys recommend you guys recommended Voyager to me, guys. I really don't know much about crypto. I'm barely getting into crypto. OMI is one I'm also trying to buy. Cardano. You locked in Tesla at 749. Took profit, Caesar. I applaud you for that one. 749, that's an amazing price. Congrats on the profits. You can always buy back on the dips. Like I said, the market isn't going anywhere, man. You'll wake up tomorrow, the market's gonna be here. Let's see, is Nasdaq ripping to new highs? No, pulling on back. Spot, is it closing above 411? 412. Alrighty, alrighty. KuCoin? See, I don't even know if that's a coin or if that's a wallet. There's just so many wallets that carry different types of coins. I have a buddy who's really heavy onto crypto, and I'm gonna have him try to teach me at least something because he says it's sometimes it can be very confusing with the I think he said like Tether, USD Tether, something like that. You have to convert it to USD Tether in order to buy a certain amount of coins or whatnot. You transfer it. It's like really confusing. So we'll see, we'll see. All right, there you go. I appreciate that, April. Webull, to buy crypto, you have to have cash value, not just settled. Yeah, I think I used Kevin's, Virtual Kevin. I think I used your referral code for Voyager. I think I clicked your, you should be receiving something. I don't know what the referral rewards are. Oh my gosh, Tesla, don't tell me you're gonna go for another high here. Is a new high a meme on Tesla? Is a new high a meme? Let's take a look at the heat map. Banks are slightly red today, guys. Look, Bank of America's red, JP Morgan's red, Visa's slightly red, Facebook's slightly red. I know we have banks reporting it's City Tuesday. Tomorrow, I believe we have pre-market. We have Bank of America, JP Morgan. And on Friday, we have, I think, Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley. So let's see what these banks have to say about inflation. See what they've been doing. Since the 10-year has gone up, the 10-year yield, GameStop has been hurting me. It's very disappointing just seeing it flat, not moving, you know. I'm a huge believer in volume and activity. Volume doesn't lie. Like I said, it's the number one active indicator. And just on Tesla here alone, we're seeing another volume spike here at 761. We got 4 minutes. Is a new high a meme? I don't know. I don't think so. I think Tesla might close near the highs. Just like on the vice versa. When Tesla goes blood and it comes on down, Tesla closes near the lows. That's one thing we've noticed. Even on days like these where we have a machine of a run, it'll close near the high. So let's see. Let's wait and see. Is a new high a meme? Oh, this is crazy. It's going for new highs. Nasdaq ripping. Nasdaq bouncing too. We're not seeing that bounce yet. It's Neo following along. Yes, indeed it is. 38.46. Let's wait and see. Perspective on Riot. I know Riot was also up today. I'm pretty sure it's hitting new highs. Coming up the highs of 59. Morrow, another one. Pulled back. Pulled back. But it had a crazy, ridiculous pre-market price here at 54. 30-minute. I like that chart. Who's holding Morrow? Riot. I don't think I'll trade Morrow or Riot, honestly. I don't think so. No, I'm still in GameStop. Tammy, what's going on? Did you ever hold any Tesla? No. No, that's the worst part. Tesla just hit a new high. I'm gonna lose my mind. 762.99 is the high. Am I getting into Coinbase tomorrow for a day trade? Yes. Yes. Average is like 180. 183. Jay says he sold at 701. There's nothing wrong with taking profits, especially at that level where 700 and around 700 and 718, 720 was definitely some resistance here on Tesla. So I don't blame you taking profits there. I would have sold. I would have never. If I was in Tesla right now, guys, I promise you, I don't think I would have been in here still at these highs. I promise you, I would have sold a long time ago. I probably would have sold, honestly, I'm not going to kid you, probably 730s, 740s. And I would have been kicking myself. This happens all the time, but like always, man, I always tell early, I've always leave money on the table. But one thing I'm telling you is you never go broke taking profits. You never lose taking profits. In the game where 90% of people lose, 90% of day traders, whatever you want to call them, lose, and you're able to lock in profits like that, you're a winner. You're in the 10%. I always kept that mindset. Profit here adds up. This day you make 1, 2, 3, $400. It adds up. It adds up. And if you're under 25K, this should be motivation. It adds up, man. Sooner or later you'll be above that, and you're able. And there really isn't any other benefit than having above 25K above the PDT rule. If anything, sometimes that does you bad. If you can't control yourself, you're gonna overtrade, and overtrading leads to losses. You're gonna go revenge trading and making back your losses, and sometimes that's not the best case scenario. So make sure you're disciplined and you know and you have a strategy even before you want more capital. If you're not disciplined with $1,000 in the market, if you're not able to handle and manage 1K, you'll never be able to manage 100K. You're still in Senosic. I forgot that company. Sens, right? I would. This is Barcode City. I don't see any potential there. 1 second before market closes. Here we go. Ding, 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 ding. Exactly, Michael. Don't look for the home runs. Never go for the home runs. And that's another thing that really hit me with AMC and GameStop. I think we were all expecting a home run. And it's like, if you go for the home runs like that and you use a lot of capital and you go too heavy, it can hurt you really bad. But I promise you, if you have a strategy and you go lightly every day, don't go aggressive. Go with what you're comfortable with. I promise you, one day you're gonna hit a home run. One day you're gonna hit the banger where you're just like, man, did I make this much money on this trade? Yes, indeed you did. And it's just like baseball. You're bound to hit a home run. Take the green. Always goes for the singles and doubles. Live to trade another day. Exactly. Always have that principle. You live to trade another day. Just you'll be there tomorrow. You'll be there tomorrow. You'll be there tomorrow. Like in this case, I missed Tesla. Tesla's up 8% today. It's up 60 points, and I missed all of it. It sucks. Yes, but I know it's gonna be here for me tomorrow, and there's opportunities every single day. We have Coinbase tomorrow. It's gonna be exciting. Let's wait. Let's wait to see. This channel is way cooler now that the diversified portfolio is back. Yeah, it's a stock market out there, guys. There's a market out there aside from GameStop and AMC. And I promise you, these stocks are going to be here to stay. There's opportunity here. Don't have FOMO. That's just the real talk. I used to day trade, but going for home runs with Viacom, I'm missing out being able to trade though. Exactly. Even with Viacom, I could get excited. I could be like, man, it's gonna bounce. I don't know the time frame of the bounce. I'm gonna size in slowly. There's no rush. There's no rush to chase Coinbase IPO tomorrow. It doesn't make sense for me to just buy right out of the open. It can pull back aggressively, and what? I'm caught holding a bag, and you gotta manage your risk. The hardest part on a trade is literally cutting your losses, admitting you're wrong. Be like, man, I just lost here. Cut the loss. Move on. You don't want a small loss turning into a huge loss. It sucks. I promise you, I've been there. Where you're just like, I'll cut my loss here. You know what? It'll come back. Maybe it'll come back. And then you're really screwed. It doesn't come back, and now you're stuck holding a bag. And who knows if you went all in? All your capital is tied there now, and you can't do any other trades because you got stuck holding a bag. Why? Because you couldn't cut your loss. Uh, yeah, the timing, I don't know about the timing on Coinbase, but usually for the IPOs, they come in right around 11 Eastern. So right around 8 a.m., 9 a.m. here in the Pacific, we should be having a Coinbase, man. It's going to be very volatile. Literally, when I sign on to TD Ameritrade on my account, it says, this is risky tomorrow. Be very careful, Coinbase. Anticipation. I'll have that in the video tonight. I'll include. I think it's very interesting. They know it's risky. They know what's coming, man. You think Coinbase is the bear trap? Honestly, my gut is leaning towards a bull trap. Honestly, that's just what I think. So we'll see. We'll see what happens, but careful. Be very careful with that tomorrow. Hopefully, I think we should be able to trade that live. Buying some Bitcoin tonight. Yeah, I think Bitcoin's gonna extend its gains tomorrow, guys. And if that's the case, if Bitcoin hits a new high, what was the high? Like 60 something K, 63. Tesla might even gap up tomorrow. Because remember, Tesla bought 1.5 billion in Bitcoin. I think it was 1.5 billion. And I think they got in at 34,000. Yeah, they bought 1.5 billion in Bitcoin. I'm looking at it right now. They bought 1.5 billion, I believe, at $34,000. So do the math. Who knows how much they're up right now? That's the truth, man. I crossed the Honda. IPOs create the most bag holders. I agree. Why? Because people get excited, they get emotional, and they chase right out of the gate. Let's see. Oh yeah, Rowan Kitty tweeted. Oh, I love this guy. I love Alex Trebek. Rest in peace, man. He died not so long ago. He passed away. Alex Trebek. I love Jeopardy. And he's getting he's the guy who's gonna replace him is that one other guy who also I think went undefeated for quite a long time. Who knows his name? If you know him, I'm gonna be really surprised. Keith, I believe is his name, something like that. If you watch Jeopardy, there's this other guy that was really on top of it. You'd be surprised. I forgot his name. I forgot his name, man. No, Ken Jennings. Yes, I was gonna say Ken Griffin. Ken Griffin. Ken Jennings. Yes, I believe that's his name. Ken. Yeah, it is him. It is him. And there was this other guy who was on fire lately. I like the other guy too. Okay, yeah, he's gonna replace him, I think. Yeah, that's why I was like Ken. I was like, that can't be his name because I kept thinking Ken Griffin. I was like, there's no way. I appreciate you, Joskis. Peace out. Stay safe and stay healthy. That Ken Griffin back. Alex, I just so many names, man. So many numbers and names you have to remember. You get it mixed up. I was thinking Ken, but when I thought Ken, I'm like, wait, Ken Griffin. GameStop 143 after hours. That was another guy that came on recently. It's gonna bother me if I don't remember the name. Yes, James Halshauer. He won 2.4 million in 33 appearances. That's crazy. There was a couple of stock market ones too. A couple of stock market questions. Plotkin. Yeah, GameStop 145 after hours. What's going on? Let's see AMC possibly doing the same thing. No. What kind of orders did we have after hours? I know we have a couple dark pools coming in here. We didn't even get to look. Usually the blocks come in like at 49, 50,000 for GameStop after hours. 145, interesting. What's your play tomorrow? My biggest possible play tomorrow is the IPO, Coinbase. Yeah, these after hour counters are a little interesting. Obviously on thin volume, but hey, we're still moving up. All right, guys. We're gonna end it here. I'll have a video out for you guys later. Obviously, I'm gonna talk about Coinbase and whatnot. Other plays that I'm watching probably gonna be Viacom Discovery, Tesla. So that one's gonna be out later. Did you ever jump in on Viacom Discovery? No, I'm still waiting. I'm still patiently waiting. I have a feeling in my gut that this is gonna be a monthly swing play, guys. I have a feeling this is gonna take a while to recover. So you don't want to tie up a lot of your capital. Keep that in mind. You don't want to be waiting months for this to recover and you miss opportunities. What do I think Coinbase is going to open at? Throw in your guesses. I've seen 340, I've seen 400. My guess is Coinbase is going to open at $360. There's my guess, 360. All right, there we go. We're gonna end it here. I'll see you guys later for the video. Thank you guys for tuning on in. We'll be back tomorrow for yet another volatile trading day. And by volatile, I mean IPO, baby. I'll see you guys. 325. You guys see 325, 350. Yeah, pretty close. I'll guess 360. Ken Jennings. I thought we talked about this earlier. We already got over it. Ken Jennings, man. Can I link something from GameStop website? Absolutely, you can. I'll throw in the Discord. You guys can find me in there on the Discord. I'll hop in the voice chat if you guys want to talk to me, because of course I can't hear you guys on here. I can only read your messages, so it's always nice to have that communication. Other than that, I'll see you guys. Let me take one last glance here at GameStop. All right, pulling on back 143. I'll see you guys tomorrow pre-market. Peace out.